What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to shoot this video today just to show you my e-bike collection, and it's actually getting out of control with all these e-bikes that I got here. We'll go through all of them and I'll explain what I got. So starting first, we got my Stealth Bomber Clone Enduro e-bike. This thing is a monster. It's got a 12,000 watt hub motor in the rear, which is insane, along with a 72 volt 45 amp hour battery. This bike will do 65 miles an hour, which is pretty crazy, and I get a range of about 35-40 miles. I love this thing. It's super quiet, and I have a bunch of videos of this bike on my channel. You can check it out. Next, we got my baby, the holy grail, my sur-ron. This sur-ron is fully modded out. It's about 10 grand. I'll leave a video up here of all the mods I have on this, but it's pretty much fully decked out, running the stock motor still, but I got a shy battery, which is 60 volts 60 amp hour with the KO Moto controller. Insane. This bike is beautiful off-road, and this is my baby right here. This bike will give me a range of about 50-60 miles easy. Next, we got this RAEV Bullet, which got sent to me. This bike is super nice. The seat on there is super comfortable. It's a really comfortable ride. It has a 500 watt 750 peak watt hub motor in the rear, coupled with a 48 volt 13 amp hour battery, range of about 25 miles or so. Pretty nice looking bike, and I get compliments everywhere I go. Next in the lineup, we have this NAKTO folding aux. This bike is a folding e-bike. It folds in the frame right in the center, and this is a super nice beach cruiser in my opinion. Something to take to the beach, ride around. It's got the rack in the back where you can put things on, like for a picnic or whatnot. Same thing here. It's got a 500/750 peak hub motor in the rear, and this has a 48 volt removable battery that's 12 amp hours. Same type of situation. You'll get a range of about 25 miles. Next, we have the newest addition to the fleet. This is the ONEBOT T6F. I just recently shot a review of this bike that you can check out on my channel. What I like about this bike is the rims. It doesn't have your typical spokes that come with it. It comes with these nice looking rims that really give it nice look, nice character. This guy is a little bit less power, so the hub motor in the rear is only 350 watts, and the battery is 48 volt 10.5 amp hour, so a little less power, a little less range. But it's a folding e-bike as well, which actually folds in two locations, in the middle of the frame, and the whole stem folds, which makes it a really portable bike. And last but not least, my favorite over here, this little mini Razor, which same thing on this one. It's fully modded out. Brakes, motor, battery, everything's been changed. The seat, the paint, I've done everything on there, and I have a ton of videos on this bike that you can check out on my channel. This thing is running an 1800 watt motor coupled with a 48 volt 25 amp hour battery, and I get like 25 miles of range on this easy. This bike is amazing. The battery on here is so surprisingly good that I trip out every time I go riding it. This is more of like my snack getting machine. I ride it around the neighborhood. I did take it on some longer rides, but unfortunately I don't have the forks yet. Soon I'll install forks on here, and this will be a perfect bike. And I have a mini surprise coming to the channel in about 2 weeks or so. I'm supposed to be receiving the brand new Talaria XXX, which will be a beautiful addition to the family. I don't have it yet, so I couldn't really include it in this video, but it's coming soon, and I'll have a ton of videos on that bike as well. I have videos on all of these bikes, and I will leave links in the description if you guys are interested checking it out or purchasing one for yourself. I'll definitely have links in the description. And aside from this, I actually also have the Segway 9bot Go-Kart Pro, which is in the house. I didn't want to bring it out because this is more about bikes, but I do have that one as well, which is a super fun electric go-kart. If you guys don't know about it, same thing, I will leave a link in the description so you can check out the full video I made about it. It's a super awesome go-kart. But yeah guys, this is pretty much it. I've been asked a lot about my collection and what kind of bikes I have, so I figured I'd put it all in one video and let you guys check it out. But this is the collection, this is the family. Are you addicted like me? If you have an addiction just like me, leave a comment down below with your fleet and we'll see what you got. But that's pretty much it for me guys. Just wanted to show you my fleet, my electric fleet. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please consider subscribing, liking the video if you enjoy this type of content, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.